my shop review video, and the Cascade concert I think is happening right now. I think so. I'm not sure. But if you want to see that, drop a comment. I might do it, I might not. But if you want to see it, you can tell me down below. But yeah, if you like comments, hit the like button. Hit subscribe with that bell and see what's in today's item shop. Or item soup, as we called it yesterday. Let's see.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, it's been 1 minute. I shall finally load. Anytime I'm recording, it takes long to load, but if I just go into it normally without recording, it doesn't take long to load. I don't know if that's a good space for recording, but it happens a lot. Alright, so featured, get the daily and stuff. Alright, so let's check it out now. So we have Fish Stick, which is Edit Styles, the VR and School backfilling, and the Fresh Fishes, Bootstraps, and Coral Cruiser. It plays the music. Sounds really nice. Venturion with his Edit Style, backbling, one of the coolest backblings in the game. Then Venturia, first that looks a little bit cooler, but who wants to buy a skin with that? Her bun is like, the hair is like a little too much, like the hair is too big. I wouldn't run that skin. AFOL, Triumph. Now we have the Ram Raider, which is Edit Style. I really like these skins. I don't know why, I just find they look really cool. And I like the back blings. Whenever I have V-Bucks and they come back, I might get it. But I'm not sure, but I really like them. I find it look cool, but the mask doesn't look as cool. But they look really cool. All of them like the same thing, but it's the character model changes. If you want to take off the mask. But that's really up to personal preference. I find all of them look really cool. The back bling and pickaxe are just super cool. So this is the back bling. Then the Shake 2 Go. This one is Big Vision. Then we have the Deep Zeal, the Toffee Smasher, Hater Pounder, and then we have a Night Bite. These are just super cool. I really like them a lot. So in total, if you're gonna buy a skin and you're gonna get the bundle, it'll cost about 2,800 bucks. So yeah, it looks really cool. Power Cord with the Rogue Edit Style. Then we have the 6 String with the Rogue Edit Style. Envoy. Saxy Groove is back. I haven't heard, seen this one in the shop probably. I don't know how recent it was in the shop, but I haven't seen it now. Alright, now we have the little Octane Traversal. Looks really cool. You actually do a kickflip, so I don't know if it does any preview, but in game I saw some gameplay. I did like a kickflip, like in Rocket League, like I said, if you jump last video, but it's not jump, it does it on its own. It's like part of the emote. Yeah, look at it right there. It jumps like in the game. That's super cool. Dream Fit. SAS Question, it's also traversal. This one is just much cooler. Alright, then special offers, we have the stuff for the party. In Party Royale. Party MVP, coolest. The most coolest character model, in my opinion. If they just add a skin character model with this character model, but not all these bright colors, I would really like it, like some brown hair and like a nice, not colorful kind of thing. It would look really nice. And then we have Party Diva. Then we have Party Star. The Envision outfit. She glows in the night as well. Looks really cool. Back bling does the glow on and strike as well. So if you're in the party and it's nighttime, you can glow. Looks really nice. Glow stick. Always glows. Now the glow stick pickaxe. Glow rider. But the base, it's really disappointing. The drop and lead up was so good, but kinda disappointing. Disco Fever. Breaking. It's still a really cool emote, but they could have done a little better after the beat drop. Lead up and everything was good. Alright, Snake Eyes, which is back bling and pickaxe. Last lab bundle with Joker, with Chesal. Whoa, we just saw the OG version of the Edge shop. That looks so cool. Alright, the human itself for Poison Ivy. Minus one full count. Back bloom, last red. Minus Chris King with the IVX budget. Just by bigger car control and 1,000 V-Bucks. Fortnite 25 battle pass levels. I was on 25, 275. Now Fortnite wanted to be back. You get the battle pass multi pack on $1,000 for $11.99 a month, $12 a month, and you get a March bonus. I don't know why I just stopped here. But you get a March bonus. Looks really cool. It's a blister pack. You can see Jones inside here. So you get the Lambro for this month. Then we get the Up North, Popcorn, and Legend Grab. So I shall preview. See you all in my next one. Goodbye.